Hi guys, so this is a series of videos about how to reassemble a Smart 450 diesel engine which has been partially disassembled. As you can see, here has been removed the air intake manifold, the starter motor has been removed, and also the alternator has been removed. I will post pictures where you can see how was the car before. So the reason why I removed all these parts was because the car was not starting, the alternator was not working, and the engine was very dirty because there was oil leakage. So here it was completely full of oil. Here you can see the parts. So here we have some of the parts. For example, here we have the starter motor, has been serviced, meaning I disassembled it. You can see the pictures, clean all the parts and rebuild it. Now there is some tape because I had to drill the screws because they were broken. Here is the RG valve. You will see this is cleaned but not fully cleaned. Here you can see it's still dirty. You can see the video. There will be a video about how to clean it. As you can see, it's partially closed already. So here we have the intercooler. I also cleaned it. Inside was full of oil. Here the air intake manifold was full of dirty. Now it's clean. Also inside the intercooler fan and some other parts. This is still dirty. I have to clean it. This is the alternator support. This is the injector pipes, still dirty, I have to clean it, and some other spare parts, and the bumper is there.